Welcome to our interactive real estate platform. The idea is simple: to help a buyer fully understand a property without visiting it in person. Everything starts with the 360-degree panorama. On the left, there's a catalog panel with available projects. It is synchronized with the markers in the panorama. Filters by price, size, and number of bedrooms help narrow the search right away. Now let's open Modeva and switch to View 3D. Here we move into a 3D model of the future development placed inside its real surroundings. This is not just a standalone render. The environment around the project is based on a real photorealistic capture of the location, so the user sees the actual context: neighboring buildings, roads, and terrain. Here, we can also look at information about the Modeva residential complex itself. In the top right corner, there are tabs with general project details, including building floor plans, the developer's promo video, exterior and interior renderings, and a short overview of the development. We also add infrastructure markers and nearby residential projects into the scene. At the same time, the user can switch between nearby projects. For example, open Sierra, compare its location and surroundings, and then quickly return to Modeva. At the moment, only the exterior of the complex itself, the surrounding area, and nearby points of interest are available for viewing, since the data for this complex has not yet been fully added. Now let's go back to Modeva and look at the apartment selection process. Each apartment is linked directly to its real position on the building facade. The catalog and the 3D model are fully synchronized in both directions. On the left, we open the catalog with available apartments for this residential complex. At the moment, Building A has already been mapped. We can open the filters and sort units by price, size, number of bedrooms, or floor. The matching apartments then appear at the bottom of the catalog, and when we click on a specific unit, we immediately see it on the right in 3D. A user can select an apartment in the list and see it highlighted on the building, or click directly on the facade and open that exact unit in the catalog. There is also a chessboard view, where all units are displayed by building and floor. It can be shown by different parameters: price, size, number of bedrooms, or in a combined mode. This allows a client to compare options inside one building in just a few seconds and immediately understand where each unit is located. After selecting a unit, the user opens a detailed apartment card. It can include a virtual tour, floor plans, interior photos, and the payment plan with installment stages and additional costs. So instead of disconnected materials, the buyer gets one complete picture of the apartment in a single interface. That is the core strength of the platform. It creates one clear journey: first the area, then the project, and finally the apartment. In just a few minutes, a buyer can go through the same logic as a real property visit, but faster, easier, and with much more information in one place.